So good day everyone, my name is Rochelle Bagaforo, 20 years old. Nandito kami ngayon sa Calito, Aklan. Una sa lahat, nagpapasalamat po ako sa mga SK, LGU Government, sa Limitless Love, ASEAN Foundation, Break the Fake Movement, kay Ma'am Akina Silatan. Maraming salamat po. Masaya talaga ako lalo na first time ko dito sa Aklan, first time mag-hotel at first time mag-public speaking. Grabe talaga ang favor ng Panginoon kahit na kinakabahan ako ngayon pero nakaka-excite at nakaka-proud maging isang resource speaker even if student pa lang ako. May purpose talaga si Lord sa ating buhay. Thank you Lord for everything as you are my strength, my encourager, and bless nyo po yung mga tao sa likod ng lahat ng ito. So dahil first time kong mag-hotel, ito po yung hotel. I had a wonderful opportunity to share about combating misinformation and disinformation to young professionals, parents, LGU officials, students. Even if I don't have a laptop computer and had to borrow that of Ma'am Akina Silatan. Thank you so much, Ma'am. Many of our participants thank us for the knowledge they gained and the commitment they made to combat misinformation and disinformation and become Digitalino citizens.
Problem. Agree. Buhay na kayo ang magiging reason niya tadi. Pero indeed, that's...
On behalf of the ASEAN Foundation, together with the Google Org,